Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Cecile. Ang topic natin ngayon ay tungkol na naman sa annulment. Ito guys, yung topic natin ngayon, yung mga frequent question ng mga kababayan nating overseas at mga kababayan natin nandito na gustong mag-apply ng annulment dito sa Pilipinas. Ito guys ay based sa aking research at sa aking experience. Kung meron po kayong ibang question or mga legal matters po, you have to consult the lawyer. Hindi po ako abogado, but I also have my experience according to my research, I have a little bit of knowledge about annulment in the Philippines. Okay guys, sabi dito, sa unang question natin, I am planning to file an annulment case, but I would like to know if my marriage was recorded. How will I do this? Kasi yung iba guys, di nila alam kung nag-valid ba yung marriage nila or not. Sabi dito, you can check with the local civil registrar kung saan ka kinasal, kung saan ginanap yung kasal mo. You can also directly check yung NSO at East Avenue, Quezon City. You can also request yung copy of marriage contract online through the NSO website or PSA website. So there's a website that you can check from online. So you can also check online, or you can also check in your local civil registrar kung saan ka kinasal dito sa Pilipinas. Alright, next question. Can I file the petition for annulment of marriage even if I'm working or residing overseas? Yes po, the new rules allows a petitioner, which is you, who is currently residing overseas to file the petition in the Philippines. So, kahit na po nag-work kayo sa abroad or nakatira kayo sa abroad, then you can still file your annulment dito sa Pilipinas. Kasi dito kayo kinasal, so your validation of your marriage po ay dito sa under the law ng Pilipinas pa din. So, next question is, eto guys, do I need to come home? Kailangan ko pa bang umuwi to attend the trials? Okay, kasi po yung iba nag-aalala kung paano po nila gagawin yung kanilang annulment dito sa Pilipinas, nasa abroad sila. Yun po yung wino-worry ng iba, nating mga kababayan na OFW. Ang sagot doon ay yes, you have to come to attend the trial, especially during the pre-trial conference. Your petition will be dismissed if you fail to attend the pre-trial conference. Yes, you can apply overseas, but then for the pre-trial, you will have to attend here in the Philippines. Pwede kasing yung iba, tumatagal siya guys kasi nga nire-reschedule depende sa pag-uwi mo for the pre-trial appearance. Okay, and next question tayo guys. Do I need to come home just to take the psychological test? Okay. No, you don't need to come home to take that psychological test. For purpose of filing the petition, our resident psychologists will take a psychological testing online through internet. You will undergo confirmatory tests when you are already here. So anyways, yung psychological test or psychological interviews or psychological examination can be done through online. So yung psychologist, interviewin ka from your history, nung married ka, or before kayo nagkaroon ng relationship ng husband mo. So, it's all online. So, internet, it's all online interviews. Okay? So, you don't need to come here for the psychological test or psychological interviews. Okay. Next is, can I file divorce case here in the US? Kasi guys, may mga kababayan tayo na nasa ibang bansa or nasa US na gustong mag-file ng divorce doon sa US. So, yung iba guys, tinatanong nila Yun. Ito yung sagot. Yes, you can, but it will not be valid here in the Philippines. Our law do not recognize foreign divorce instituted by Philippine citizens. You will have to file an annulment case before Philippine court to annul your marriage. So no, you will have to file here in the Philippines because your marriage is under the law pa rin ng Pilipinas. So, yun po yung sagot niya. Yun po yung kasagutan doon. Hindi pa ako lawyer, but that's really the answer for the question. Kasi I've been researching and I've been talking to different people also na nag-file ng annulment, na kumuha din ng mga, they also have plan to like apply for annulment. Kaya meron po akong mga nakakausap and then nagre-research po ako during the time na nagpa-file ako ng annulment dito sa Pilipinas. Alright. Ito naman guys, this is for American citizen. I am an American citizen. I have an existing marriage with a Filipina. If you are a foreigner that was married with Filipina in the Philippines, I wanted to end the marriage already. Do I need to file a petition for annulment before Philippine courts? The answer for that is no. No need to file the case. You can file divorce in the U.S. instead. The divorce decree will also be recognized in the Philippines, allowing your Filipino wife to remarry the pertinent law in the article of 26 of the Family Code. So if you are a foreigner and you are married to a Filipina, then you don't need to file an annulment here in the Philippines. You can apply directly in the U.S. For your divorce. All right, and these are only some questions, guys, na karamihan na tinatanong ng ating mga kababayan overseas at yung mga kababayan din natin dito sa Pilipinas. Maraming mga question, guys, na encounter ko, pero hindi ko rin masagot kasi yung iba, you have to explain them very well for them to understand para maintindihan nila. But anyways, guys, this is only a short video for all of you who are watching my vlog and my video, and I hope nakashare ako. I hope you learned something from my video, and I hope to see you guys in my next video, okay? Thank you. Bye.